Hey everyone, welcome back to the High-Tech Software Solutions channel. Well, imagine guys, what is the most important thing in a project? I think the most important thing in a project is that the project should be user-friendly, and the customer also demands it a lot. So the content of this video is mainly based on working on some of the functionalities in our application. For example, we want to make user-friendly our two functionalities of deleting photo and deleting gallery, because for now it is not user friendly. If I may show you, let's log into our system first. We don't have any galleries. Let's create galleries, some galleries. Also create another one. Name it photos. Let's also upload some photos into our galleries. Okay, the thing that is we want for this video is, if we try to delete this photo, let me show you. If we click on this delete photo, as you can see, it deleted it directly. It didn't show any message, which is not good for our customers, and they will probably not gonna like it. So the thing that we want to work is that before deleting any photos or galleries, we want to show a confirm dialog box to the user, and if the user really wants to delete a photo or a gallery, so he or she would click on the yes delete it, or if he doesn't want, so he will probably click on the cancel button. So that is the thing that we want for this video. So to start, we need to install SweetAlert 2 package in our application as a dependency, and for that we have to go to our code. Let's open our terminal, and in here we can say yarn add SweetAlert 2 and press enter. It will take some time. So it has been installed successfully. After that, we have to go to our resources, JS and app.js, and in here after our window.view we want to import swell from SweetAlert 2, and after that we want to pass it to the window by saying window swell equals to swell. And the other thing in this file we need is to comment this view instance, because we don't want to use view globally. So guys, that's all the configuration that we need for the SweetAlert in our application. Let's first start from deleting our photos. Let's close this file and go to resources, views, galleries and photos, and our photo show. As you can see, this is the link for our photo delete. First, remove this href from the link, and instead of it add @click. Because we are using Vuejs, so we can say @click equals to, our function name should be photo delete, and at the bottom we can declare our section of scripts, and end the section, and inside our section we need our script tags, and inside our script we can say constant app equals to new view, our brackets. So the first thing that we need is our element, which is app ID, and after that we need our data, and inside the data the thing that we need is to grab all the photo information related to the photo that we want to delete. And as you can see, the variable is already coming to the view. So we want to store it in an object called photo, and we can get the information by saying double brackets, exclamation mark, and inside it we can say $ photo. And after our data we want our methods, brackets, and the method name is photo delete. Let's go to the SweetAlert 2 documentation, and if we scroll down a little bit, you can see this a confirm dialog with a function attached to the confirm button. If we click on it, this is the confirm dialog box that we need. So let's copy the code from the documentation page and go to our project and paste it inside the function. And let's also indent it a little bit. Okay, don't forget to make this swal s small case, because that is how we described it in our app.js. So the other thing that we need in here is to pass in the photo object to our function. And if we go to our project in the browser, let's refresh it. Oh, let's first upload a photo. Okay, if we click on this photo and click on this delete photo, it doesn't load our dialog box. And if we inspect and go to console, you know guys why it is throwing an error? Because if we check our code and go to our layouts app.blade.php, and at the bottom this is our script tag, remove this defer from the tag and save it. Yeah guys, the one thing that we forgot is to run yarn run watch, because if we don't run our yarn watch, it won't work. Now let's refresh our page. As you see, the problem has been solved. And if we click on this delete photo, this is the dialog box that we want. Cancel works. Now let's work on this yes delete it button. So for that we have to work on this then function. Let's remove first of all the swell message, and instead of it we want to use axios.get, and the URL is, don't forget the project name also, because if we check our browser, this is the full URL for our project, and we should declare it all, because as you remember in the first videos, we copied 2 files from our public folder to the root directory of our project, because we wanted to load our project from the WAMP server. So for that reason we also need to declare our project folder name also. So copy it and go to the code and paste it. Remove this ID from here, and in here we can say concatenate it with this photo.id, and then we want another anonymous function, double arrow brackets, because after we delete it we want to redirect to back to the gallery of the photo. So for that we can say window.location.href equals to our URL. Remove these photos. We want to go to our galleries show URL / and we want our gallery ID, and we can grab our gallery ID from our photo. We can create a variable called gallery underscore ID equals to this photo.gallery underscore ID. let's go to our routes, and this is the route for the delete photo. Remove the name from it, and also check if the method is get, because in our axios we described our method get. Save it, and let's also go to our app HTTP controllers, our gallery controller, and at the bottom this is our photo delete. Remove the redirection, and instead of it add a toast message which should say photo deleted successfully, and the type should be success. And we also want our timer progress bar. Save it. Now let's try. If I refresh this page and try to delete this, yes, deleted. It doesn't work. The function that we want for our delete is in this URL. We have to get this URL to delete our photo. As you can see in our routes, this is the URL for our delete, or endpoint for the delete photos. So let's go back to the browser and refresh and try to delete this photo. As you can see, the photo has been deleted successfully. I think it got some errors in the middle. Let's upload another photo and try it. And if we delete it this time, it doesn't work. The reason that it doesn't work because we forgot a slash in here. Yeah, I think that's the reason that it doesn't work, because the redirection is failed. And if we go back and go to our galleries, as you can see, photo has been deleted successfully. And if we check it, yeah, photo has been deleted. Let's try it one more time. And if we delete it this time, yes, yeah, it works fine. So guys, this was how to delete photos using Vuejs Axios. Now let's also work on our delete gallery, because we want to delete this gallery same as we delete the photos and make it user friendly. So for that we have to go to our gallery show blade, and at the bottom this is our gallery delete link. So let's remove this href from it, and instead of it we can say click equals to delete gallery, and at the bottom we can say section scripts end section. We need our script tags, and let's copy all this from our photo show and paste it in our gallery show. And instead of photo we can grab our gallery information, and instead of saying photo delete we can say gallery delete. Gallery delete. And instead of passing photo information we can pass our gallery information in here. And at the bottom we don't need this gallery ID, and we can erase these photos, and instead of photo ID we need our gallery ID. And after the delete has been successfully done, so we want to redirect to our home URL. and we don't need any IDs for that. Okay, let's also go to our routes and remove this name from the gallery delete, and let's go to our controller also, and if we scroll up, this is our gallery delete function. Remove this redirect and instead of it add a toast message which should say gallery deleted successfully, and the type should be success. And we also want our timer progress bar. Okay guys, that was all we needed for our gallery delete function. So let's try it. If we go to the browser and refresh and click on this delete gallery, it doesn't work, and the reason that it doesn't work is because if we refresh our page, the gallery has been deleted, but something is wrong. Yeah, we need our gallery project name also. Let's try it again. If I refresh and delete this gallery, yeah, the dialog box works fine, cancel works, and if I click on this delete button, yeah, it also works just fine. So guys, this was how to make user-friendly our application for the sake of the customers. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and more videos like this. See you guys in the next video.